A and B are two identical conducting spheres, each carrying a charge of plus Q. They are placed in vacuum with their centers distance d apart as shown in the diagram below. Explain why the force F between them is not given by the expression F equal to Q square over 4 pi epsilon d square. The equation F equal to Q square over 4 pi epsilon 0 d square describes the force between 2 point charges. For an isolated charge conducting sphere, the electric field outside the conductor is similar to that of a point charge, as the charges is evenly distributed on the surface of the sphere. However, when two charge conducting spheres are relatively close to one another, the charges can get redistributed non-uniformly on their surfaces due to electrostatic forces between the charges. Thus, the equation is not valid in describing the force between two charge conducting spheres, as d is not the average distance between the charges on the two spheres. If A and B were uniformly charged spheres that were made of insulating materials instead, will the expression hold? Explain. If the charged spheres are made of insulating materials, then the charges are unable to redistribute themselves on the surfaces when the spheres are brought near. Provided that the charges on both the non-conducting spheres are evenly distributed on their surfaces, each individual sphere will behave like a point charge. Then the force between the charged sphere can be described using this equation, where d is the distance between the centers of the spheres.